Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your Leica mobile plan quickly and easily. First, open any browser and search for Leica Mobile Renew Plan. Click on the official Leica Mobile website from the search results. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the option for existing customers or prepaid plans. Here, you'll find an option to renew or upgrade your plan using a one-time password or OTP. You can also log in to your Leica mobile account if you already have one. If not, simply click on the Renew or Upgrade link and enter the one-time password sent to your Leica mobile number. After that, select the new plan you want to switch to, whether you're upgrading or renewing your current plan. Once you've made your choice, just confirm your selection and your new Leica mobile plan will be activated. And that's it. That's how you can change your Leica mobile plan in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.